guys, welcome to the channel. Today's episode is about the HYDRODRAGS World Championship. This is the race, this is the big one. If you drag race jet skis, this is the one you want to be in. People all over the world come for this event. Unfortunately, I went KATABOOM, and so has Harold. The same mistake that I made in my motor, I made in Harold's motor. It wasn't my fault, it was somebody else's fault. Of course, it's never my fault. But that is not important because we're here to give you guys content. And I wanted you guys to have a good experience about the World Championship. So what do? We follow 3 racers that I think at least one of them is gonna make it to first place. They're really good racers. So I hope you guys enjoy this content because it's all for you guys. All right, so as you guys know, I went KATABOOM. Louis Marine, when he saw my jet ski, he got so excited for seadoo again because he was cheating on the seadoo teams. He went to Yamaha. So when he saw my jet ski, what I'm doing with my banana do, he got his own banana do. Here is, look at this beautiful machine. Doesn't it look familiar? Huh?
Here we go. They're lined up. Fired up. Let's see what they're going to do. Nice clean start.
You know, the
Billy
sun
jumping a little bit. As many's going to... Oh, Jose has issues. Billy's in the gap in the deep end. Let's see.
So we're going to be following Louis with his brand new belt. And let's see what happens. Now, we have to remember that Louis Marine is out of his class. This is not his class. He has a spec jet ski, which is a lower class. Now, just for fun, like I usually do, he put his jet ski on Super Stock. Super Stock is a tough class, and it's dominated by Yamahas. And they're around 40 pounds of boost, 40 plus pounds of boost, big chargers, and they have mile per hour, and they run over 100 miles per hour. We got a little seadoo with 23 pounds of boost. So we're totally out of the class. We're doing it for fun. So, and that is what counts. All right, so Scott Rice and Louis Marine Jr. Are you ready?
I'm ready, brother. We're ready.
Scott Rice is a good friend, an old friend. We've been racing for a long time together.
Lane 1 taking that victory, LMR.
Well, it looks our boy.
All right, Eddie Figueres, Maikito, you guys are up next.
Good job. All right, so let's go see the more excited guy here in the HYDRODRAGS.
No, you're excited.
You know what? I'm proud of you. You got everybody's name right.
I've almost got him right.
Man, let me tell you.
Almost.
A lot better.
A lot better. Way better. Well, see what happened with Cuco Performance. They did again. It was wrote C-O-C-O. So I thought it was Coco. He comes up to me, he's like, I know you don't know nothing. It's Cuco. It's Cuco. I'm like, and I showed it to him, and it literally said C-O-C-O, and he's like, oh, I was like, no, it wasn't me, it wasn't the gringo. No pinche gringo here.
This guy and me, we're gonna do some videos together.
See?
Oh yeah, we're gonna work together.
You're gonna come into my world, and I'm gonna go into your world.
Oh yeah.
Sounds
so
good.
That's coming.
Better get ready. 239 out.
Oh yeah.
All right, here we go. Let's see who's going to get off on this one.
All right, here we go.
LMR. So LMR and Eddie got a good shot all the way. It looks like Lane 1's going to take that one.
Seadoo for the win, baby. Seadoo for the win.
Lane 1 taking it. That's LMR.
Sorry, Beds.
gonna take this. LMR Jr. versus David Lima.
Well, the little seadoo won.
Gonzalez, that's Lenny Cardenas. You're up next.
Oh yeah, baby. That's a winner right there. Big congratulations to Lewis Marine's team and his son for building a heck of a boat. I mean, Seadoo's coming back and it's coming back strong. That was a strong boat to come all the way, and it wasn't even in his class. It was super stock. That tells you a lot. So this man here, he's the brain behind this jet ski, and hey, congratulations.
Hello guys, I got some exciting news. We, Calas Performance, gonna start carrying this guy's product.
Valve Racing.
Yes. We known each other for years. This guy's been my mentor for many years on all the springs and retainers and valves and all that stuff. So very excited to say that we are gonna start carrying his valves, his springs and retainers for Yamaha and Sea-Doo. So what's interesting about Rafi, he carries pretty much, if there's a motor invented, he has a valve and a springs and retainer for it.
Absolutely. Just a little is here. We carry a lot of different products for a lot of different applications.
Mira quién está ahí. Espérate. Hold on, I went KATABOOM.
No.
I went KATABOOM twice, bro. Yesterday.
Welcome to the team, buddy!
KATABOOM twice. It happened. And then I didn't sleep. And built another motor, went KATABOOM again.
Oh shit, it sounds like the story of my life.
I know, I'm in your club.
Hey, welcome to the club, my boy.
Are you running? Are you good?
Yes.
Can we put all of the cameras on you?
Yeah, sure. You
Okay.
can.
So we're gonna follow this guy for the races because I went KATABOOM.
Hold on, did you really blood?
Yes.
Is he not feeling good today?
I know. Oh yeah, I have to.
Do you see the, hold on, do you see the really
For
blood?
the first time
Twice?
ever. Twice.
That means it was going fast. That's all it means. Good job.
I know.
You suck.
We're gonna follow this guy because he's a lot of fun. Negro is one of my favorite guys. I say #1 because he has the same sense of humor as me. But it's multiplied by 20. And his kid, where is he? There you go.
Right here.
Oh yeah.
Right there.
Listen, I got a finish line
All right, we
video
gotta
saying
be
that I
off the
won,
line.
but they give it to
50
him.
minutes.
Okay, so you got one more try, right? Or you out?
Of course, no. I'm
One more? Okay,
I was
cool.
first qualified. I said,
All
no,
right,
no,
baby.
good.
Hell yeah.
I'm good. I got time. We race again. You'll see.
Oh yeah. Fortunately, Negro
Right now.
blew up. So, but Negro, you put a heck of a show, boy. Every time you come to the HYDRODRAGS and stuff, you always meet different people. And this guy, he is no stranger. He's been in a couple of my videos. He comes all the way from California to film this and help us with everything you guys see here. So, unfortunately, he needs to go back and catch a plane. And Logan, man, thank you very much.
Hey, welcome.
You are an awesome person.
Absolutely.
All right, let's get him out. Omar.
Came out here expecting to shoot drone photography and videography for you, but you gave me a relaxing weekend because we didn't race.
I know.
So
I
it's
know.
all good.
Fortunately, I couldn't
call.
race. But next time.
Oh yeah, next year we're gonna get at it.
sir.
You're welcome. Appreciate you.
Yeah, this guy's the legend. He's way older than me. Calas Performance in the house.
Mikey?
HydroTurf, HYDRODRAGS.
Oh, yeah,
2022, baby. Here we are. Time to drop the hammer.
Brian, why do we do this again? Why do we keep coming back over here? Stupid. On the video, it looks great. Oh man. Well, let's see what happened.
That's fire. Performance taking it up.
Our boy Cuco got the win again. Cuco got the win. All right, so the win goes to Cuco. Here we go.
He's ready.
All right, so Cuco had a red light. So now this is a true race right now. All right, so Carlito made a red light. So they both got red lights now. So they better not do another red light. Whoever does a red light, if they do it next, they're out. So this gotta be a fair race. See? Tenemos que darlo hecho saludando delante de la gente para que nos pongan la foto.
Vamos para allá, vamos para allá. Mátalo adelante.
So Carlito won. Well, congratulations, man. Correct. So it's the end of Unlimited, the end of an awesome racing weekend, and I'm here with Cuco. Cuco went all the way to the end undefeated against Carlito. Carlito's tough. He's a tough
Good
one.
racer.
He's a good racer, and his boat is fast.
He's got that machine
Dialed in.
Dialed in for sure. I couldn't be happier, to be honest. You know, knowing the amount of time that I was able to put into that ski that I raced, knowing that I couldn't be happier. So a lot of good races. I had to make like over 12, 15 passes, to be honest. For some reason, my ski was one of the skis that I had to race the most. But I pulled it through. The ski was consistent. It didn't break. That's thanks to my tuner Brian. And he also puts his hands into the ski. He's a big part of that ski. And,
No, you guys made a heck of a freaking boat.
Yes. Also shout out to Calas, big part of the team. Fizzle, you know, the guys at Riva. I just couldn't be happier right now. And you know, second place for my first match on Unlimited. I take it.
Yeah, we take it, buddy. So there he goes. So I'll see you guys on the next video.
Fearless.